In this video we are going to trade the currency pair EURUSD for the whole year 2019 with an algo trading system that can be downloaded on the website algorithmictradingsystem.com. The current risk setting is 60. We use the adaptive moving average to create entry signals. We are using an original MetaTrader 5 demo account, as you can create one with a few mouse clicks in MetaTrader to compare it with your own results. I think that one of the hardest things is to stay to your rules, even if nothing is working as you want it to work. For some time I have been trading, and from time to time I think that nothing could go wrong, but guess what? You will always have times where nothing works as it should and where you are convinced that it would be a good idea to stop that whole trading thing. It doesn't really matter if you use automated trading or if you are a discretionary trader. I think that you never will have a situation where you are totally satisfied with your results. Actually, I have to admit that trading feels bad most of the time. And that is even true when you know that it works. It took me about 18 months to lose about 20 pounds, and I knew that the process was working, but I didn't really enjoy the process because I had to eat less and go on the treadmill. I liked the results. I liked when people told me that they actually see that I lost some weight, but guess what? I still hate to go on that treadmill, but I know I have to do it twice a week. And actually I know that it works, but my mind is trying to trick me each time to not do it. Sticking to your own rules is one of the hardest things I know, especially if there is nobody watching you. So if you want good results, you will have to go through the bad times and do things that you really don't want to do. But in my opinion, trading is just about the results, not about the entertainment. You can download the free version for the algorithmic trading system below the video on our website algorithmictradingsystem.com. It will work with original MetaTrader 5 demo accounts. If you are interested to learn more, or if you are interested to trade this system on a real account, make sure to become a starter member for just $1.